That's a parallel configuration, which most people are doing for their batteries. So make sure you cut the length so that you have enough to make a small U. So when you get into the RV, you have a little bit of wiggle room on how you can get the batteries in there if you need that extra space. If you make them too tight and too close together, you run the risk of having to get way too close to the actual fitment between these things, and it makes it a pain in the ass. So give yourself a little bit of loop there, like that. It'll look nice still. Apply pressure lightly while you spin and cut the entire jacket, being very careful not to cut the actual strands themselves. You want to leave as many strands as possible so that you're not reducing how much power can be passed through that wire. There, remove the insulation. Then you want to place those loose ends into your ring terminals on the ends. Place them in, be very careful not to push the strands out or have them poking out the side. That's going to poke through the heat shrink once you put it on, and it's also just one less strand to pass the ampacity, and you start messing with the rating of the wire when you do that. So make sure it looks nice. You get on there good, seat them down.